Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. So as you all know, we have started LeetCode SQL 50 series where we'll be going to solve 50 SQL problems, so that will help you to crack any SQL interviews like that. So we have already covered 18 videos as of now. If you haven't watched those videos, go to my channel and check out the playlist where you will be having previous 18 questions. Now in this video, we are going to solve the 19th problem. So that is queries quality and percentage related problem. So we are going to first go through the schema and then understand the problem statement, then we'll break down to write the query. So queries quality and percentage. The question number is 112 So you in the lead code you can find a numerous number of problems to be solved on data structures mainly. You can also find other programming languages also. So let's see this query first, schema first. We have a queries table where we're having some columns. Column names are query name, result, and position and rating. So query name is a worker and result is also worker. Position and rating are int type. This table have duplicate rows, so repetition of the rows will be there. So this table contains also information collected from the some queries on the database we have already. So queries they have in this queries table. The position column has a value from 1 to 500. So positions are from 1 to 500 and ratings are having from 1 to 5 ratings. So query with less than 3 is called poor query. So who have rating with less than 3 is called as a poor query here. So that the data they have provided. So we define query quality. So this question is related to knowing the quality of the query, right? So what is the quality of the query? How we can define is the average of ratio between the query rating and its position. So ratio is nothing but like divided with like that. So a rating position um, between the query rating and its position. So rating divided by position, we will be getting the average ratio of that query. That is called quality here. So also define poor quality percentage. So we will make that we'll consider that as a poor query quality only if the percentage of all queries is less than 3. We are considering that as a poor query quality. These are the basic information they have provided previously. So now what the solution problem you are asking is to find the query name and quality and poor quality percentage. So if there's a poor quality, we should get the poor quality percentage and then quality and the query name. So you want to get the each query name means we have to. They are already telling like it's having duplicate rows, so we have to group by using query name first of all. Uh, so both quality and query percentage should be rounded. They are telling one more thing. So to be rounded to two places. Return the result table in any order. They are okay with it. So let's see the example so that you will understand better. So query names are there, some dog and cat things. So repetition is possible here. Query name we can see repeated results at some few results, and position is there and rating is there. So yeah, output you can see, if you see group, we have to first group by with query name so that we'll get only one. Because each they're asking the solution like find out the each query name once, right? So we have to group by query name, and then to get the quality, what we have to do, we have to divide with the position with the rating. So 5 by 1 will be there. So yeah, they told like they have already given the query rating with its position. So rating by position, that is 5 by 1. That is 5 divided with 2 ratio, right? Divided with 2.5. So that is we have got here. Sorry, this is 5, and another one is 5 by 2. So the other one is 1 by 200. So we have to make average of these three. We'll get that 2.50. And then query percentage is nothing but what is the query percentage? So who have less than 3? um, Percentage of all queries with the ratings less than 3. If we see here, so two queries are greater than 3 and one is less than 3. So we have to divide with these two with this percentage, we'll get 33.3 percentage. So out of three, we have two as a good rating and one is a poor rating. That is 33.3 is the rating of poor percentage quality. Here you can see the problem. So 5 by 1 and then 5 by 2 and then 1 by 200 will get 2.50 as a quality, and poor percentage quality is here the only 1 by 200 is only the one which have poor quality, that is 1 is to 3 ratio here. So that is into 300 we will having 33.3. In the same with the cat case scenarios, that is 2 by 5, 3 by 3 and 4 by 7 will get quality there, that is 0.66, and poor percentage quality is nothing but 1 out of, here see 2 by 5 is greater than 3 um, thing. What is that? The poor quality is should be rating is less than 3, right? So this is ratings you can see less than 3 ratings how many? So 2 is less than 3. This is equal to 3 is less not less than, right? So 1 is to 3 ratio into 100 that is same that 3.3. So this is all understanding of schema they have given. I hope you have understood now. Let's write the query what they're actually asking us. So yeah, let's get started. First, as we understood, right, we have to first group with the what we have query name. You understood, right? So query name first we have to take from table queries, and also we have to sorry group by query name. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the rating. So for rating, they are asking like average kind of thing, right? Let me have AVG function. Uh, average of what rating with position, and then what is the aliasing name for this? They have given any, that is quality, and again we have to get the again the percentage, right? That is nothing but if they are any not only one, we should get the sum, right? Sum of what they are asking, we have to check the condition, that is ratings is less than 3 only, we have to take them. So yeah, why have added I as if is nothing but is the condition less than 3, then 1 or otherwise 0, return 0 like that. So yeah, this is the condition and we have to making the sum of that. So we have to get the percentage, right? So into 100 divided with, so we have to do the count also, right? So that is divided with 3 whatever the rating we have. So rating is now fine. We have to give the alias name for this is poor percentage query. So if you see one more thing they are asking us in the query question, that is we have to round up by the two decimal points they are asking. So we can just add round function with two decimal points. That will be fine here also. Rounding up to two decimals. So now how query is clear, right? We have checking the query, then we are returning 1, otherwise 0, and then percentage into 100 divided with ratings count, that is 3. So rounding up into two values. So as poor query and quality, just run this statement so that you get, let's say the test cases will pass. Yeah, you can see. So as the grouping is done, quality is calculated and poor percentage is also calculated. So the same query you can also write in another way. So instead of using if condition, you can also use like case kind of thing here. So in case we should, write how we can write with case. we'll be having when with the condition we wish have to mention, and then there is then return one, otherwise is nothing but else zero, and then we have to end the case, right? So this is the how we can write the case scenarios. There are two brackets repeated. So let me remove this. So the same thing work with case also, just like conditional cases. You can use if or else. See, everything is fine. So I'm just submitting this. So like this, you can solve calculating percentages and averages by using AVGA functions and some more conditioning cases like that. So we have to group by if you want to get a particular thing. If there is any repetition like that, you have to use group by. I hope this query is clear. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply to your comments. And that's all for this video. Let's see in the next video with another more question. Until then, see you share our videos to your friends or colleagues who are at learning stage of SQL things. These videos will definitely help them to understand the concepts and help us them to develop their problem solving skills. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.